Hi, I'm Elizabeth.
Hi, I'm Robot Thespian.
Nice to meet you.
Likewise.
This is a humanoid robot, which means it looks, it talks, and it even acts, well, like a human. So does that mean it could take a human's job like mine?
You better believe it. No, I'm only joking, not really.
There's no denying robots and automation are increasingly part of our daily lives. Just look around the grocery store or the highway, or in the case of Robo Thespian here, even at the theater.
I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain.
The rise of robots has led to some pretty scary warnings about the future of work.
Robots will be able to do everything better than us.
A recent study found up to 670,000 US jobs were lost to robots between 1990 and 2007, and that number is likely to go up. A widely cited study from 2013 found nearly half of all jobs in the US are in danger of being automated over the next 20 years. Occupations that require repetitive and predictable tasks in transportation, logistics, and administrative support were especially high risk. And just think, robots don't need health benefits, vacation, or even sleep for that matter. But the debate over whether robots will take over all of our jobs is by no means settled. Many economists argue automation will ultimately create new jobs. After all, someone has to program the robots, right? Let's go back to the 1850s, when trains were the most popular mode of transportation. This chart shows the number of locomotive engineers, railroad conductors, and brakemen increasing by nearly 600%. But that growth slowed in the early 1900s. Why? You guessed it, the automobile came along. Car mechanic and repairman jobs surged, even though railroad jobs began to disappear. And some companies say the same thing will happen when robots move into the marketplace. A survey of 20,000 employers from 42 countries found that the IT, customer service, and advanced manufacturing industries will add workers over the next 2 years as a result of automation. It's hard to imagine that robots could replicate human characteristics like empathy or compassion that are required in many jobs. I mean, would you really want a robot as your nurse, babysitter, or teacher? But even if robots don't take our jobs entirely, research shows they will significantly change day-to-day tasks in the workplace. This is particularly a problem for lower-skilled workers who aren't able to retrain for new jobs. They might get stuck with lower wages in a world with more robots, and that could make income inequality even worse. These guys are making a lot of things uncertain right now, but one thing that's clear is skills training is required if we hope to get along with friends like them in the workplace.
I think we're going to get along just fine.
Royalq is a one-click robot trading system that has made crypto trading possible for everybody, even if you have little or no experience in crypto trading, by using a quantification system. The advantage of quantitative trading is that it allows for optimal use of available data and eliminates the emotional decision-making that can occur during trading. So, to alleviate your trading strategies and make your profits touch the roof, you need a couple of worthy quantitative strategies. The Royalq quantification system adopts a multi-strategy, multi-technology fusion intelligent quantification mechanism. Users only need to select the corresponding investment style and click a key to start, and they can realize smart fool-style financial management. Due to our efficient use of artificial intelligence algorithms, the system will intelligently match the corresponding quantification strategy according to the market situation. Customers maximize their profits. We make it simple and handy for you. Using real-time strategies, we ensure you absolute security for your trade. Sign up now and experience the blockchain industry miracle. Royalq, the road to quantitative learning from scratch begins right here. Facts about Royalq crypto trading robot: trades 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. Works on Android or iOS phones. Not affected by mobile data or Wi-Fi being off. Annual fee of only 100 USDT. No monthly subscriptions. No more sending money to third-party platform. Comes with a very rewarding referral program. No rank maintenance. Real-time payment. Instant withdrawals. Who is next to say yes to financial freedom?
Hello and welcome to the Royalq AI trading robot. Are you ready to experience the unleashed power of automatic trading, all under one app? A blockchain industry miracle, paving the way for a new era of cryptocurrency trading? Ready to find out more? Let's do it. So, the big question, what is the Royalq? Royalq has revolutionized the way we trade with a simple one-click robot trading system, the benefit of which has made crypto trading possible for anyone and everyone. From those who have little experience to those with no experience, our quantification system makes everything possible. But what is quantitative trading? Well, to put it in simple terms, quantitative trading is the development of various trading strategies based around advanced mathematical models. The key idea being to choose investments and strategies built solely around mathematical analysis. The advantage here is that by focusing on purely mathematical investments, we completely remove the human emotional factor of thinking, should I stay in a little longer or pull out now, having already earned a profit? The Royalq robot focuses on high frequency trading. By using optimized strategies to buy and sell crypto at high frequencies, the opportunity to obtain profits is second to none. For every profit that the robot makes, which will be quite often, it automatically uses that profit to buy and sell again. This is what we like to call the cycle mode to compound. By understanding the trade strategy, you'll easily be able to reap the benefits from Royalq's auto trading system. Now, let's be honest, when it comes to staying awake and having the ability to comprehend every little detail, nobody does it better than a robot. With its 24-hour, 7 days a week market watch, you'll literally be able to make money while you sleep, Monday to Sunday. What could be better? And when it comes to live trading, nothing fluctuates more than digital currency. With the price movement of crypto changing every second of the day, using AI algorithms to buy and sell is an absolute no-brainer. Gone are the days of manual market tracking. Say hello to AI's profitable quantitative trading program. The Royalq's multi-strategy, multi-technology, fusion intelligent quantification mechanism is a complete one-of-a-kind when it comes to a hands-off automatic trading machine. To get started is so simple. By just clicking on a few buttons, you'll be able to select and synchronize approved trade master strategies which are provided by the Royalq system. And that's it. Completely done for you trading strategy without you having to think twice. Ready for some jaw-dropping facts? With an annual fee of only 120 USDT, it's made affordable to include everybody. None of those horrible monthly subscriptions, and most importantly, your money along with your profits stay safe in your wallet. The Royalq robot doesn't take a day off, let alone a lunch break. With 24-hour trading, 365 days a year, you'll potentially be making money every minute of the day. No matter if you're an Android or iOS fan, we've got you covered. And best of all, even if your internet is switched off, the robot is not. To keep things safe and secure, we trade on the world's top 2 exchanges, Binance and Huobi Global, which the Royalq robot operates securely through using an API integration, allowing you to also unbound the robot from your account at any time. If you can't already see the advantages, let me show you them. Using Royalq's AI could not be easier. With the benefit and simplicity of operation match with security and real-time strategies, you can never go wrong. Plus, you can benefit from a very rewarding referral program, no rank maintenance, and best of all, real-time payment. Now, are you ready to jump into the numbers of the compensation plan? I thought so too. Now, let's kick things off with an overview of network income, which consists of 2 components. First of which is activation bonus, which is your direct sales bonus, followed by trade profit, which, as you can probably already guess, derives from trade profits. Now, when it comes to activation bonus or activation gain, as we like to call it, from your 120 USDT, Royalq keeps just 40 USDT, with the remaining 80 USDT being distributed back into the network. But let's dive deeper into how the distribution works. A payout of 30 to 70 USDT is made depending on your rank, in which you have 6 ranking stages to be a part of. From rank V1 taking 30 USDT to rank V6 taking 70 USDT. Moving on to trade profits, which we should all love and are entitled to a percentage of. This profit comes from residual income made up from your direct team members as well as your indirect team whenever a trade is closed. To understand direct quantifications, these are trade profits of team members directly referred by you, while team quantification is trade profits of your indirect team. Just remember, whenever there's a profit, the hardworking robot is entitled to 20% of that trade profit. And when that profit comes to the Royalq, we keep 30% while distributing 70% to the network. This is exactly how trade profit is calculated and distributed. 20% to 60% dependent entirely on your rank. And please remember, we don't take anything from your capital, only from the trade profits after the Royalq robot has done its job. Plus, when it comes to team rewards, you'll always receive this bonus as long as you stay at least 1 rank above your team at all times. If you happen to fall in the same rank as your team, your rewards will stop. But don't worry, just rank above them again and your rewards will be activated. Another benefit is peer rewards, which entitle you to a 10% team trade profit, but only for those in ranks V3 to V6. In simple terms, you'll lose activation gain and trade profits when your team come up to the same rank as you. However, peer rewards can override the compensation plan, but as mentioned, this will only be available to you when you rank between V3 and V6. Again, to confirm, when your team ranks alongside you, this will mean a loss in activation gain and trade profits. But don't worry, because this is where peer rewards comes in. When you also rank between V4 and V6, you'll be compensated with activation peer reward, as well as peer reward. So even when your team advance in rank, it won't mean a loss of income for you. In activation peer income, the ranking is as follows. Rank V4 and V5, 1.5 USD, and rank V6 is 1 USD. But hold on a second. There's still one more exclusive premium reward which you can take advantage of, and that's Global Dividend. Exclusively available for ranks V6 only, this is a reward of recognition of your leadership and hard work of your outstanding team building effort. From the 120 USDT Royalq receives from the activation, we reserve 10 USDT, which is then shared with all V6 ranking members according to their wage share. But wait, what do I mean by wage share? Well, that's simple. Depending on the amount of members in your team, you'll receive 1 additional share for each. For example, 3 V6 members in your team will entitle you to 3 additional shares. 4 members, 4 additional shares, and so forth. However, Royalq doesn't stop there. We set aside 10% of trade profits from the entire community worldwide that's trading with the Royalq robot and share it with all the V6 Royal partners. And don't forget, this reward is just an extra bonus for you, on top of all the other rewards that you're entitled to and that we've already covered. Now, does that sound like a compensation plan you'd like to be part of? I thought so too. Now, move into the rank up structure requirements. Ranking at level V1 is simple. Just activate your robot and you're already part of the Royalq team. To hit V2, you'll need 3 directly referred and activated members, plus 20 total activated team members. Moving on to V3, you'll also need 5 directly referred members with 100 activated team members, plus 3 V2 members from separate lines. Ranking up to V4, and remember, this is where your activation peer reward comes in. You'll need 8 directly referred members, plus 3 V3 from separate lines. These V3 members will take care of your activated team members. V5 will need you to have 12 directly referred members with 3 V4 members from separate lines. Remember, the V4 members don't need to be your direct referrals. And last but not least, rank V6, where you'll be able to enjoy the bonus of global dividends from all your hard work. You'll need 20 directly referred members with 3 V5 members from separate lines. Now, before we finish this presentation and you go rushing off to activate your Royalq account, let me just take you over the potential income to get you even more excited. From rank V1, you could be earning 30 to 60 USDT daily. Rank V2, 30 to 100 USDT daily. V3, 100 USDT or more daily. V4, 300 or more daily. V5, 500 or more daily. And finally, rank V6 with 1500 USDT or more daily. Pretty amazing, right? Well, the only question you now need to ask yourself is, are you ready to say yes to financial freedom?